Welcome back to Buy Smart, the ultimate showdown between two leading under-desk treadmills. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill and SupeRun Under-Desk Treadmill. Both promise to keep you moving while you work, but which one will take the lead in today's comparison?
This battle is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which treadmill comes out on top. When it comes to power and noise, Goplus boasts a 2.25 HP motor, making it a strong contender for those looking for a robust workout session. On the other hand, SupeRun slightly edges out with a 2.5 HP motor, promising a bit more power for those extra tough workouts.
However, both treadmills have been praised for their quiet operation, ensuring that your workout won't disturb others in your household.
Design and convenience are crucial for under-desk treadmills. The Goplus 2-in-1 is celebrated for its versatility and foldability, allowing it to easily transition between a jogging and running treadmill, while also being easy to store. SupeRun, on the other hand, wins points for its slim design, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. According to reviewers, both treadmills are easy to move, but SupeRun may be the better option for those prioritizing space saving. In the realm of features and extras, Goplus comes equipped with a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and an app to track your progress, offering a multifunctional experience beyond just a workout.
SupeRun counters with its built-in Pit-Pat app, emphasizing connectivity and community in your fitness journey.
Reviews highlight Goplus for its entertainment options, while SupeRun is appreciated for its connectivity and app-based motivation.
Overall, reviews for both the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill and the SupeRun Under-Desk Treadmill are generally positive.
Reviewers appreciate the Goplus for its build quality and versatility, though some mention it might not be ideal for intense running.
SupeRun, with its compact design and app connectivity, is praised for fitting into small spaces and encouraging daily use, despite some minor issues like belt shifting and a short power cord. Now that we've compared the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Electric Treadmill and the SupeRun Under-Desk Treadmill, it's time to decide which one fits your lifestyle best.
Is it the versatile and multifunctional Goplus or the slim and connected SupeRun? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing your preference and why.
Your insights help everyone make smarter buying decisions. Check the description for product links. Until next time, keep moving and shopping smart.